Hi, in this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram bot not working. So basically, the reason is that maybe your Telegram application is not up to date. You need to uninstall and reinstall your application. You need to go to storage usage and then clear cache or clear data. So the first thing you should do is you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of this Telegram application. So this one is, or this method is okay for App Store or also Google Play Store. So if you're using Android, you just have to go to your Google Play Store and then search for Telegram right here. If you see an update button, what you're going to do is you have to click that one to make sure that you're using the latest features of this Telegram application. Once done, click open. But as you can see, I'm currently using the latest version of my Telegram application. If after doing this, still you encounter the problem, and then the second thing you should do is you have to uninstall this Telegram application. So you can just simply long press this application right here and then click on install, or you can go to your settings, go to app management, app list, Telegram, and then uninstall. And then that's it. So after that, you need to go to your Google Play Store, App Store, and then reinstall this application again. You can also go to storage usage and then tap clear cache, but that one is optional. So I really hope that after doing this, it will somehow solve the problem. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next videos.